We'll guide you through how to make a TikTok video. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, head down to the bottom of TikTok. There you're going to got the plus button, which you can go and click on. At the moment, if we're using my front camera, if we go and double tap, we can go and flip to the back camera. In the top right, you can go and press the flip button as well, enable or disable flash, set a timer, use effects, and you can go and change the size as well. Now, when we come down to the bottom, you can choose at the moment we've got photo selected. You can go and select text, but you can also go and then select the maximum amount of time for your video as well. In the bottom left, you can use the gallery. Over to the right, you can use effects. And at the top in the middle, you can add a sound. You can also add a sound later as well though. I'm going to select 60 seconds and I'm going to go and start recording my video now. I'm going to go and record this plant here in my speaker. You can record what you want. You can always release and you can start adding another clip as well and make your video with multiple clips. You can release and of course you can then go and start using the effects on the side as well, like flash, timer, effects, filters and speed as well. Then when you're finished, you can click on the tick over to the right. We're now on the editing page. As I said here, you can still go and add a sound at the top. So you can click through these to go and choose one you want to use. I could use this one here, for example. Then what we can do is go over to the right. You can click on the gear or cog icon in the top right to adjust the settings. If you go over to the right and click on the arrow at the bottom, you can go and see these different options. So you can go and click on edit at the top to access the bigger timeline. Look at templates, add text, add stickers, effects, filters. You can do add yours, add a voiceover, add captions, and also save it. In this case, I'll go and click on text, for example, and you can then go and type in what you want it to say. You've got some different formatting tools at the top and you can go and choose the font down here at the bottom. And so then once you're finished, you can go and click on your story in the bottom left and add it there, or you can click on next in the bottom right and you can go and post it onto your profile. So you can go and add a description, you can add a location, a link, choose who can actually go and see it. I like it to be everyone so I can go and get more viewership and things like that. You can choose the privacy settings and also there are more options as well. When you're ready, click on post in the bottom right and it's then going to go and be uploaded. As you can see, there it is. It's that simple.